welcome to 1445 West Grand Avenue, Unit 1E in Chicago, Illinois, Westtown neighborhood of Chicago. Brand new, renovated, 2,600 square foot, private deck. Let's take a tour. So welcome to your dining/living room. Easily fits any sort of table, round, rectangle, 6, 8-seater you have. And then you come on in, have a huge sprawling couch, little TV up on the wall. You have a gas fireplace. Here is one of your 3 outdoor spaces that you can enjoy. Nice little park with the tree-lined streets action going on. And then we come into this gorgeous white quartz, white wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, brass finishes. It's just extraordinary, brand new. Gas stove, got your microwave, pull-outs, garbage can, everything you need. High ceilings, recessed lighting. There's a little coat closet for you. Here's the first full bathroom of 3. Again, stand-up shower. Here's bedroom number 1. Come on in. Organized closets. Easily fit a queen 2 end tables. King if you wanted. But this is where the king goes. The primary bedroom. Huge space. Again, just lots of natural sunlight. Easily fit a couple dressers, sitting area, a little exercise, whatever you're into. Here is a huge, wonderful 600 square foot deck. That's private, by the way, just yours. And let's take a peek at that one more time. It's amazing. Here is your new primary bathroom. What a wonderful, I just want to hop in there right now. Look at that. And then your glass stand-up shower, full tiling throughout. Got your fancy lighted mirrors that defrost, dual vanity, lots of cabinet storage space, refinished oak hardwood floors. Here is the organized closet, and we come on down. That's just up to the skyline rooftop deck. And we'll take a little jaunt downstairs, and we come to our heated floors, and then brand new designer gray carpeting to match the little ensemble down here, where you could fit whatever your imagination can bring. Can be a playroom, could be another family room, could be a rec room, exercise room. And then we have the 3rd bedroom. Doors closed, you have your window, you have your closet. Nice little feature, and again, could fit a king if you wanted, and a dresser or a desk, however you want to set it up. And then you come down here, you'll notice how high the ceilings are down here. This feels like a main level, 2nd level floor. Again, nice, good size bedroom again. And then the bedrooms down here have this full bath. Again, nice modern going on. This is a great little building. It's only 8 units, self-managed. And that's out to the garage and exterior space. So this property does come with 2 parking spaces, which is fabulous. It is also very easy for guests to come and park in this neighborhood. And you're close to Fulton Market, you're close to the West Loop restaurants, you're close to Wicker Park, you're in Westtown with all its new little wine shops, cafes, vegan shops, Irish pubs right throughout the neighborhood. It's just a phenomenal location, and close to the expressway, and in Skinner School District, which is always a bonus. Whether you have children going there or just for resale, because it is one of the best schools in Chicago, and this is in that district. Okay. Well, thank you for coming with me, and let's make this your new home.